How to use CapCut Template on PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our desktop. And then once we are now on our desktop, the next thing that we need to do is to just search for CapCut. So search for CapCut right there and then click open. After that, once you're now here, you should be able to see the template section right here. However, I don't have it right there. So if you don't see the templates option right here, then the next thing that we need to do right here is to open our browser. So once you open our browser, just search for CapCut Template. And then after that, click enter. And then just click the CapCut template right here. And then after that, all you have to do is to log in into your account and then just choose the template that you want right here. So that is basically it, and that is how easy it is. That is how to use CapCut Template in PC.